This is lesson 13 for hands-on equations. We're going to start with the equation 2x plus star plus 3 equals 2 stars plus 15. So, what is the first thing we can do here to solve this equation? Chad?
The 15 is, it says 16.
Oh my goodness, thank you very much. I'll say the whole equation again. 2x plus star plus 3 equals 2 stars plus 15. Thank you. So what's the first thing I can do here, Chad?
You could take 3 away from 15.
Okay, before we even do that, what's the very first thing that you can do here?
1 pawn away from each side.
I can take one white pawn, 1 star away from each side. Then, what can I do? What's the next thing I want to get rid of? Vanessa?
Take the 3 away from 15.
Okay.
12.
So I can take 3 away from this side. Remember, whatever I do to this side, I have to do to the other side as well. So I took 3 away from this side. I have to take 3 away from this side, which makes that a 12. There's one more step I need to do before I solve this problem, and what is that, Chris?
Add a pair to the pawn side and then get rid of the white ones.
Excellent. I have to add a 0 to the side with the blue pawns, so now I can take a white pawn away from each side. That leaves me with 3x equals 12, so what does x equal?
4.
4. X equals 4. Excellent job. Let's do another example here. I have 3 stars plus x plus 5 equals star plus 12. We'll make sure I have a 12 there and not some other number. So what is, looking at this setup, what is the first easy thing I can do to reduce this and simplify it, Chad?
You could take a pair, you could take a pair away.
I could, but before I even do that, what else could I do?
Take a pawn away.
Actually, I am going to do that. I'm going to take a 0 away. I don't need it. It's not there. Not necessary.
You could take a white pawn away from each side.
Absolutely. Take a white pawn away from each side. So now I have pawn and cube on this side. So we know that the next thing I need to get rid of is what, Tyler?
5.
I need to get rid of this 5. So I'm going to subtract the 5 from this side. I also have to subtract the 5 from this side. So 12 minus 5 is what?
7.
Is 7. So my answer is star equals 7. Now we know that x is the opposite. So if star equals 7, what does x equal?
-7.
-7, absolutely. We have one more example, I believe. Yes, we do. We have x plus 12 equals 2 star plus 6. So, what is the first thing I can do to simplify this equation? Chris?
Put a pair.
Where do I want to put a pair? What am I trying to get rid of? You always have to think in terms of what are you trying to get rid of?
Oh, subtract 6 from 12.
Okay, we can do that first, absolutely. So what is 12 minus 6?
6.
It is 6. Absolutely. Now, what do we know that we need to get rid of, Vanessa?
Add a pair to the white pawn side.
And why am I doing that?
So you take the blue away, the number stands alone.
Absolutely. I want the number to stand alone. I added the 0 pair to this side, and I take 1 blue pawn away from each side. That leaves me with 3 stars equals 6. So what does a star equal?
2.
It equals 2. What would an x equal?
-2.
-2.